In this video, I am going to show you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. First, open the Google Chrome and go to Google, and in the search bar type here download Windows 11 and click on the first link of Microsoft and click on download Windows 11. This is the official website of Microsoft. I will download ISO, so scroll down till you find this Windows 11 ISO and click on select download and select this Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64-bit devices and click on confirm. After this, select the language. I will select here English United States and click on confirm. After confirmation, we will click on to this 64-bit download. This will download the ISO of Windows 11. So it will download here. It will take some time. I have already downloaded Windows 11 ISO. So click on download and this is the ISO for Windows 11. After this, we need to download another software. So go open the Google Chrome and type here Google, and in the search bar type here download Rufus, RUFUS, and click on the first link, that is Rufus website, and you have to download one software. So scroll down and you have to select this Rufus 4.1.11.exe. So it will download the Rufus. So the Rufus is downloaded here. So let's go to download. So it download the Rufus software. Now you have to insert one pen drive onto this PC, and after this you have to double click onto this Rufus software and click on yes, and it will automatically select the pen drive and click on select to select the ISO. I have saved the ISO in the download folder, and I will select the Windows 11 ISO and click on open. After this, click on start, and you have to check this remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0, and you have to check this remove requirement for an online Microsoft account, and you have to remove this username. If you want, you can add one username also, and click on OK and click on OK. It will take some time. I have successfully made bootable pen drive for installing Windows 11. In real time it takes a lot of time, but I have forwarded the video. After this, you have to restart the PC. After installing the bootable pen drive onto the PC in which you want to install Windows 11, after that you type F12, F8 or escape to select the boot menu. For my motherboard it is F12, and select this UEFI USB and hit enter. Windows 11 welcome screen is visible here. Select the language. I will select English United States and click on next, then click on install now. If you have a product key, then type here I don't have a product key, so I will select I don't have a product key, and I will select next. And after this, you have to select the version of your Windows 11. I will select Windows 11 Pro and click on next. Select the version according to your choice. After this, click on next, then accept the agreement, then click on custom install Windows only, then select the drive in which you want to install the Windows 11. In my case, I have only one drive, so I will select this drive. If you have multiple drives, then select the drive in which you want to install Windows 11, then click on next. It will install the Windows 11. After this, select the language region. Follow the on-screen instruction and select the appropriate one. Installation is successful.